Artificial intelligence is reshaping small business marketing. We're talking about tools that are powerful, accessible, and affordable. From text generators like Jasper and Copy.ai to chatbots such as ChatGPT, AI, and all that's changing the game. Recently, GoDaddy Airo simplifies going from idea to line in minutes. But remember, AI provides a head start. It still requires a human touch to refine its output. AI has the potential to assist small business owners in identifying trends, saving time and improving customer service, all of that. Just keep in mind, results may vary, and human oversight is still necessary. AI has the potential to streamline marketing efforts and assist in creating a targeted campaign, but again, it's still important to have a real person check on it. And while AI can be a powerful tool, it is important to be aware of its limitations. Now, those can include potential biases and inaccuracies. So just always review the output for originality and accuracy to ensure the best results. And to harness AI, identify marketing tasks it can support and learn to prompt AI effectively. And use AI to conduct research, generate content, write drafts, and enhance copy. And GoDaddy's AI prompt library offers customizable input to help tailor the output to your marketing needs. So let me ask you, ready to put AI to work for your small business? Start by exploring GoDaddy's AI prompt library for research, content creation, SEO, and customer service. Dive in and discover how AI can help your small business thrive in today's digital landscape.